Alright, here's something else cool I picked up over the weekend. This is a 1974 Kmart. I'm guessing it was originally probably a K-223 with a first-gen plastic blade. Still has the small handle. That knob is going to end up being the permanent one because I'm pretty sure they have it super glued on there and it won't come off. But at some point in this fan's life, somebody has switched it out to this 4-wing blade off of an old Lasco box fan. And surprisingly, this motor runs it just fine. I haven't done anything to this fan at all. It's exactly as I bought it. And it's actually really clean and in really good shape, and appears to have been kept very well oiled throughout its life because it runs about as perfect as it's ever going to. So let's start it up. Here's low. And here's medium. And here's high. Has a pretty long spin down time. I'd say this is definitely a lot louder than a P23 would be. This is quite a loud blade set. But it moves a lot of air too, so pretty cool. I seen it sitting there and kind of had a double take at it when I saw the blades and decided to bring it home with me. And it came with a free 1973 P23 that's very, very beat up that we'll get a video pretty soon here. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.